In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can center particular aspects of your website, like the heading or the text or paragraphs. So it's always a good idea when you're in Glitch to click on Show and say next to the code, or Show in a new window, sorry, because in a new window, you can actually see how it looks to the browser. When you check next to the code, it's difficult to get a sense of how it's going to appear. So it's a good idea to look at it in a new window. And you can see at the moment, hi there, and also this section, the little line of text, are not appearing in the center, which may not be what you're going for. I'm also just going to add a little unordered list here as well. Um, I'll put it separate to the body, just here, and or maybe I'll put it within the body here. Okay, so imagine underneath the heading 1, and after the paragraph, I want to have a little list. So I just go UL, standing for unordered list, and you can see my closing tags there already. Each item of a list needs li before it as well. So let's just put a little list with 2 items. Now we'll put in fish, and we'll put in chicken. Okay, now let's check out our site here, and you can see nothing is centered, right? Now, something that's useful is W3 Schools if you want to find out how to do anything in HTML. So it usually only takes a minute to search. So for example, W3 Schools center text or paragraph HTML, and normally just like that you can find the useful code. One great thing about W3 Schools is you can also click down here to try it yourself, and you get a similar interface to Glitch where you see the code and you see the output. So what we're going to be interested in is kind of this section, which is CSS. Now in Glitch, the CSS, you can actually see it in a separate section if you click on style.css, and there you can see the CSS. Now the CSS is how we're going to center. So what we want to do is we want to do another line here called text alignment, and again if you want to look at it in more detail you can see it over here, text align. Okay, center in the US spelling, and then a semicolon. And so what that's going to do is it's going to center the heading 1 section. And if you go back to our index, you can see heading 1 is where it says hi there. So if we look at it over here and we refresh, maybe it takes time to refresh, hi there is not centered yet. Let's double check something's wrong. Double check over here too. Because I'm using English spelling, not US spelling. Okay, now you can see because I'm using the correct spelling, it's responded by turning a different shade, and you can see now it's centered. Okay, but that's only on heading 1. But if we also want these features like our paragraph and our list to appear to be centered as well, we don't actually need to go through and do them one by one. We just need to edit the body actually. And just by editing the body section, we can actually just use the same tag. It will just copy and paste it. It should actually wash over the whole page. And you can see it looks like it's already centered. And now those whole sections are centered.